Okay, so compared to data warehouse, we have OLAP. OLAP is the online analytical processing. So the original definition is the dynamic synthesis, analysis, and the consolidation of large volumes of data, multidimensional data by Cott in 1993. So basically, it will describe the technology that is designed to optimize the storing and also the querying of the large volume of data from the multidimensional data source. And it is summarized to the various levels of details to support the analysis of this data. And OLAP is enabling users to gain a deeper understanding and knowledge from various aspects from their corporate data through fast, consistent, interactive access to the wide variety of the possible views. And it will allow the users to view the corporate data in a way that it is better model of the true dimensionality of the enterprise. Okay, and we move on the next slides. So here is the example of OLAP application in the various functional areas. For example, you have these other functional areas. It is in finance, sales, marketing, and manufacturing. And we have also the OLAP examples in these areas. So basically in finance, OLAP is applied in the budgeting, the activity-based costing, financial modeling, and in sales, it is been done in the sales analysis and sales forecasting. In marketing, we use OLAP for the research analysis, okay, sales forecasting, promotional analysis, and in terms of the manufacturing, okay, it is used for the production planning and also the defect analysis. So basically, a DBMS is built for the OLTP, generally regarded as unsuitable for data warehousing, because each system is designed with different set of requirements in mind. So, for example, the OLTP system are designed to maximize the transaction processing capacity. On the other hand, the data warehouse is designed to support the ad hoc query processing. So here you can see the differences between the OLTP and also the data warehousing. So in terms of the main purpose here, the OLTP is more on the operational processing, whereby for the data warehousing, it is more on the analytical processing. However, the data age of the OLTP is current, but the data warehousing, it is historic, but the trend is also moving towards the current data. And the data, in terms of the data latency, the OLTP systems is real time, but for the data warehouse, it is depends on the length of cycle for data supplement for the data warehouse. But as also the trend is moving towards the real time supplements. And in terms of the data granularity, we have the detailed data for the OLTP. But the data warehousing system, it supports on the detailed data, lightly and also highly summarized data. For the data processing, okay, for the LTP, it is predictable patterns of insertion, deletions, update, and queries. But for the data warehouse, it is less predictable, and the transaction is from the medium to low level throughput. And in terms of reporting, OLTP produce on the predictable static fixed reporting, but the data warehouse producing on the unpredictable and dynamic reporting. And in terms of users, okay, for the OLTP, it can serve the large number of operational users, but for the data warehouse, it serves lower number of the managerial users. Okay, so only managers will use on the data warehouse. So that is basically on the for the data warehouse. Okay,